Zimbabwe is now on autopilot. Aiwa, munyika yeZimbabwe vanhu havashaya zvekutaura. Panguva ine vachiobserva nokuona kuti aiwa, there is a shadow government iri kuonekwa kunzi iri kuoperata from the farm. Panguva ine madecisions eparliament, kune mamwe maissues anotaurwa muparliament, koita mamwe anyatso kuonekwa kunzi aiwa aya anenge ari influential, ari controversial, they are being discussed at the farm. So napinda mashuka muda chitsanangura pana kuti subscribe or like on the bell kuti pina panapa nyuka muchinzi the shadow government run from the farm. Zimbabwe is now on autopilot. The real government meets not in cabinet but at a private farm. Every Sunday they call it the farm cabinet and Auxilia chairs it. The inner circle of loyalists include July Moyo, the strategist, Onibuda Nure, the enforcer, Ziyambi the fixer, Jennifer Mishwele, the mouthpiece, Kazembe the executioner. Auxilia decides who gets hired, who gets fired, and who gets buried. She is not just protecting her power, she is securing her dynasty. Her goal, keep her husband in office until 2030 and beyond. To do so, she has ordered the elimination of generals seen as obstacles. She is teamed up with Virginia Mabiza, Fortune Chassis, and Ziyambi to rape the constitution and legitimize a mentally unfit president. Even Vice President Chiwenga is reportedly marked for death before the end of May. Auxilia frantically tried to force his ex-wife, Mary, to spare him. The military is divided, parliament is bribed, no help is coming. Tobashwa nomuda tsanangura pana paona chiti aiwa panguva ino zvadhakwa zviri kunyatso kuonekwa kunzi aiwa the situation yavo munyika yeZimbabwe nyatso kuonekwa kunzi military panguva ino yatova divided completely, parliament yabribiwa, 2/3 majority irimo panguva ino nyatso kuonekwa kunzi aiwa ingori 2/3 yebackdoor, even the opposition from backdoor. Mbudza mafungiro enyu panguva ino moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pinda comment section medu, subscribe or like, chotomba bell icon.